passion, Double Horse. Here comes the Double Horse number 9081 helicopter. Number 9081 comes from Bird Bionics. Its head is just like a bird's head. It has the most advanced twin screws and a round tail. Its control system has vernier units for acceleration and both directional and back and forth movement. More definition, more perfection. Okay, let's give it a try. Move. Turn left. Zoom low. Circle. Dive. Turn right. Land. Overturn fly. The one to choose. Double Horse number 9081. Soar in the sky. Double Horse.